Hello everyone! Today we will teach you how to upgrade the original center control screen of the 2013 Audi Q3. The first step is to remove the air outlet of the original car. Then unplug the two plugs on the back of the air outlet. In the second step, we prepare two such tools, insert them into the corresponding slots on the original car CD, and then pull the CD out. Now we unplug all the plugs on the back of the CD. The third step is to unscrew the screws that fix the original car screen. Then take out the original car screen. Unplug the two plugs on the back of it. Okay, the fourth step is to remove the main driver's side panel and unscrew the screws inside. Then unscrew the screw at this position. Then disassemble the entire panel and the disassembly is basically completed. Start arranging the wiring harness of the new car radio, and insert the white plug from the CD position to the screen position. Pass the gateway adapter plug through the air outlet, and then pull it out from the lower left position of the steering wheel. Now start to connect the original car screen. First connect the white power plug, then connect the original car LVDS plug. Finally, install the screen to the appropriate location. Okay, start connecting to the original car host and reconnect the small plug. Then connect the power end of the new wiring harness to the original car plug. Plug the other end into the original car CD host. Finally connect the fiber optic plug. Just put the original car CD host back in. Now we find the location of the original car gateway plug. It is a red plug located inside the lower left corner of the steering wheel. We then connect this plug using the gateway jack on the new harness. The other end of it is plugged into the gateway socket of its original car. Now restart the air outlet of the original car and reconnect the two plugs on the back of it. Just tuck it in. Finally, we install the large panel back. Retighten its two screws. Restore the panel and the installation is complete. This upgraded car screen supports the original car system. We need to set the resolution of the original car interface before using it. Now our Android system has no sound. We enter the original car system and perform MUX settings, and then the sound can be heard normally. After the setup is complete, you can go to the local music test. It also has many rich features, such as supporting map navigation, support original car steering wheel button control, can watch local or online movies, support Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music, support wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use the make calls, listen to music, use online maps, and other functions on your mobile phone. Okay, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching.